Hey guys, it's your girl KYRELL here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome as well and don't forget to subscribe. So today's video I will show you how you can customize your own 6x6 inch closure. Let's go. So as you can see, I already handmade my wig, but if you want me to make a video, just let me know in the comments down below. So I'm using my ASWR hair, also known as a Slay with Ray hair. I will put everything in the description box. So you will need a wig cap, of course, a brow shaper to cut your lace, some clips to secure your hair. You will need a needle and a thread, of course, an elastic band, and you will need some combs, of course, and you will need your straightening iron / curling iron and a hot comb. I'm using an electric one because that's so much easier than using a hot comb that you need to put on the stove. So, as y'all know, if you don't know, there are many ways to tint your lace. I prefer to tint my lace with my face powder because I tan super easily and quickly, and this was filmed in the summer and I was getting darker, and so that's why I'm using a powder that was matching the color of my face. But if you're someone who doesn't tan real quick like me, you can just use some hair dye. But I will make another video about that in the coming video, so stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm putting on my wig to measure where I should put my elastic band. So I will use a black crayon to mark. Okay, so now it's time to straighten or curl your wig. I'm using a straightening serum to protect my hair or else it will burn, and that's not cute. So don't use too much, please. Keep that in mind. If you use too much, your hair will become sticky and it will become stiff, and we don't do stiffness over here, honey. Okay. So now, while cutting the lace, please use the brow shaper. You can also use scissors, but that's more for people who are advanced in cutting lace. So if you're a beginner, use a brow shaper. So when you cut your lace, please keep in mind to follow your hairline. Don't follow the hairline of your lace, follow the hairline what you got on your head. So now to secure my wig, I'm using the glueless method with hairspray and some hair glue. I'm using the hairspray from KYRELL or KYRELL, I don't know how to pronounce it. And I'm using the hair gel from GOT2BE. You can also use the GOT2BE hairspray, but you can use any hairspray you want. You just need to know that it's sticky and it's hard enough to secure your lace. So I let my scarf sit for I think 30 to 40 minutes. You can leave it on longer, you can leave it on overnight, it depends on you. But just need to know when it's still wet or when it's still damp, don't take off your scarf, okay? So I'm not really a baby hair fan, but when I do my baby hair, I use some hairspray or some hair mousse to create some cute ass swoops. Guys, these are the final results. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to like, to comment, to share and to subscribe. Be blessed!